Salut à tous, c'est Mélissa. Alors aujourd'hui, je vous fais cette vidéo un petit peu à l'improviste. Donc c'est pour ça que je me suis mis dans le jardin d'Angel. Donc voilà, on est dans son jardin, c'est génial, il y a plein de choses tout autour. Donc en fait, je vous fais donc cette vidéo. C'est une petite introduction à ce que vous allez voir, ce qui va suivre. Donc comme vous avez pu le voir, c'est la visite de mon campus américain. En fait, j'ai eu une réunion pour les étudiants internationaux le 4 janvier, donc c'était il y a 3 jours. 2-3 jours. Donc j'ai eu cette réunion, je vais un peu vous l'expliquer parce qu'elle n'a pas été filmée. Donc en fait, si vous voulez, je suis arrivée donc à 9 h dans le bureau. On devait être 5, je crois, et on était 2. Il y avait moi et un étudiant international de Chine. Du coup, bah voilà, on a juste passé tout le matin, en fait, si vous voulez, à parler des règles, tout ce qui était les règles, tout ce qui était, donc voilà, les lois sous un visa F1, ce qu'on avait le droit de faire, ce qu'on n'avait pas le droit de faire, le fonctionnement de Modesto Junior College, donc le fonctionnement du système, donc ils nous ont un peu expliqué tout, voilà, tout ça, le fonctionnement du système. On a eu des gens qui sont venus nous parler de, voilà, de Modesto Junior College, de son ancienneté. On a vraiment eu un peu de tout. Et donc c'était bien sympa, ça s'est passé assez vite, c'était bien sympa. Ensuite j'ai eu aussi ma carte d'étudiant, donc je vais vous montrer ça. Voilà, donc me voilà de retour. Alors en fait, j'ai eu ma carte d'étudiant. Voilà, c'est ma carte d'étudiant. Donc avec ma carte d'étudiant, ils m'ont aussi donné ça. Voilà. C'est cool, hein, avec dedans tout un tas de papiers sur l'université. Il y a vraiment de tout, c'est un truc d'information. Donc voilà, c'est ce que j'ai eu pour ce rendez-vous-là. J'ai vu un bâtiment que j'ai pas non plus filmé, donc je vous en parle un peu. C'est le Student Center, donc le centre des étudiants. C'était assez cool en fait. Il y avait dedans donc la cafétéria, il y avait un Starbucks Coffee. Yeah, on a Starbucks dans l'université. Il y avait aussi donc la librairie. Et ils ont, je vais vous montrer une photo tout de suite. Il y a tout un tas de choses avec des articles de Modesto à acheter. Donc je vais sûrement prendre un pull, je vais prendre une tasse pour ma famille. Enfin voilà, je vais un peu prendre de tout. Et enfin voilà, sinon voilà, c'était sympa. Vous m'excuserez la qualité de la vidéo qui va suivre en fait. J'ai filmé avec mon iPhone. On était crevés et quand je suis arrivée ici, j'ai eu la grippe. Une grippe d'une puissance de ouf, donc j'ai eu une grosse grippe et du coup bah vous m'entendez dans la vidéo, clairement je suis à bout de souffle, mais bon, c'est pour vous montrer un petit peu les images, c'est pas grand chose, bien sûr je le refilmerai quand il y a les étudiants. Là il y avait encore personne, les cours n'ont pas commencé, donc je le refilmerai voilà quand il y aura les étudiants, que ce sera bien plus vivant, quand moi aussi je serai habituée, parce que là je le filme, on cherche nos classes, on est complètement perdu, mais une fois que j'aurai plus la connaissance de l'université, ce sera beaucoup plus facile pour moi bah voilà, de pouvoir vous filmer, vous montrer mes endroits préférés. Pour l'instant, j'en ai aucun. Je découvrais en même temps que vous. Clairement, on marchait, je découvrais les choses en même temps. Du coup, voilà, je vous refilmerai tout ça une fois que tout sera bien plus près et ce sera plus facile. Donc pour l'instant, je vais vous laisser regarder la vidéo. Et puis, ben voilà. J'espère que vous allez aimer mon campus. Il y a deux campus. Le East, on va commencer par le East et après je vous montrerai le campus West. Et voilà! Breakfast burrito. What'd you say?
It's a single file line, people.
That's why they're like that. So we're back, and now trying to find my classes. So I have my schedule right there. So, what are we gonna try to do? We have one in this building right there, so might as well go. It's 208. I saw that room. Yeah. I saw that room. I might as well just change arm. Wait, can you hold that please? Because right now the camera's not stable because my purse is... Oh, oops, sorry for that. Alright, let's go. Now I'm doing the same thing. I'm holding the phone with the... Yeah. Alright, we have it. So we have to go
08. I saw it the other way, I'm pretty sure. That's part of the campus right there. We're on the east campus right now. It's pretty, huh? Do you like it? Huh? I'm just trying to look around. Find my classes. Oh wow. So I saw it over here, if I remember well, which I probably don't. Oh no, maybe I saw it the other way. Wasn't it outside? I guess we might as well just walk in again, right? Or should we go around? Okay, I'm gonna need you. I don't have my hands available. I'm at 20% battery. Wow. I'm at 20% base, so I'm gonna need your phone once I'm done. Do you see? Oh, 207, 205. See above? 205. 208 might be over here. 204. What's over there? We have to go again? No. We have to climb the stairs. Oh, what over there? 202? What? See, do you understand now? The building, when I told you it was a mess. Okay. Two oh three, 204. Is that a joke? 202. What? Do you think it's on the other side? There's no other side. Oh, inside. See 207, and then there's not 208. 208. So this is my anthropology class. Okay, let's go look for another one. Here, can you open the door? Because I can't, I have so many things. Thanks. So let's look at that. 229. Right there. That's where we want to go. Where are we right now? Here? Yeah. Alright, let's go. What? Yeah, it's kind of cool, huh? You can just sit. That's exactly where I was. That's exactly where I was with 227. 229, that's your class. Okay, that's where you are. Okay, that's fine. Look at that. Alright.
The fastest way out of this.
Let's find another class.
Keep broken next.
Huh? That's pretty. So we're done with this campus. That was the east. So it's very green and very large, I guess. How would you describe the campus?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. True. Look at that tree. Huh? Yeah. That was a little view. Of course, it's not even our first day yet. We're the 4th of January right now, and we start the 8th. But today I had my student orientation, so look, a little mushroom. I had my student orientation, so I'm here, and we decided why not walk to check where everything is. So of course, once I know more, I'll be able to take more pictures and more videos and everything. But it was just so my family can see it mostly, so I know they're going to ask me for pictures, so might as well just take videos of it. Up. And then of course later on I'll update. There's a beautiful student center that I didn't feel comfortable recording, but there are great things inside: library, games, even a Starbucks shop. So yeah, that's great. We have a Starbucks inside the student center, which is a building right next to us. We actually have a Starbucks inside. So
So that's where the fire truck hit when I was sniping.
That's our little car, the blue one. So Modesto Junior College. And this is all for the first campus. Let's go to the second one. So, second campus. We're right there, but we'll see more later. For now, we're just looking. The beautiful building that I love is this one, and I'll show it to you guys later. For now, we're looking at this building for Angel's math class. So we're gonna get into this one. We just got off one that looks the exact same. They're doubled, literally. Ooh, look. It's like weird. Alright. So I'm not gonna record in there because obviously I don't know who's in there. So I'm just gonna go and turn on the camera and record later. I'm filming. So we're lost right now. We're looking for his class. It's not over there. So do you have to like go up? Right? Is that what we have to do? What? You have to go up then. Finally found his class. He's looking through it. There's a lot of people in there. Cause I'm thirsty. I wanna drink something. Huh? I guess I forgot. Okay. Let's go. The stairs. He's not happy because he has to go upstairs in the morning. This whole video is really about us going up and downstairs. Look at this thing. It's saying how to respond when an active shooter is in your vicinity. Alright, well, I guess we're in America, right? Can you hold? Alright, now we're out. And where it's a lot fresher and cuter, and I'm going to show you a bit of this campus. It was a lot prettier this summer when we came here. It was a lot greener, but oh well. This building, I love it. Look at this. I just love this building. I think it's really cute. And yeah, so this is the West Campus. I have one class. Oh yes, I do have one class here that we have to check still. So that it looks like.
What was it?
And what,
Spanish?
huh? Agriculture Center. agriculture center. No idea what that thing is. I had to walk more, I guess. But here, little landscape view of West Campus. Seems a lot smaller than the east one. They have a fan. How pretty. Alright, now it's our turn to find the agriculture center. Thanks for taking us.
No problem. I'll be on an escort from Glacier over to Acton.
Oh, well, that's nice.
It helps if you park in the back. There's a whole parking lot back here for that building.
Oh, that's great.
But it's pretty far off and standalone.
First time I've owned one of those. Yeah.
You doing okay back there?
Yeah, it's amazing. I want one of those now. So efficient. It'd be nice if we could rent one, you know?
Little bird.
Huh?
Little bird.
What other buildings do you have?
That's the last one. We're trying to get ready
Yeah.
to not be lost.
At least you guys are here because a lot of people won't.
Alright, so I was filming with Angel's phone and it ran out of memory, so it probably got cut. But basically what happened is that we were lost on campus and couldn't find the Ag Center. So we had this woman come to us, you know, with the little golf cart, and she offered a ride. She offered us a ride, so we were literally on the little golf cart. First time I go on one of those was really fun. And right now we're going back to the Ag Center because she just, you know, showed us. But I'm really a psychopath. Like, I really need to know exactly where it is. So this is what we're gonna do right now. So I'm filming a bit of it. I wouldn't film more before because I didn't have a lot of battery, but right now I do have battery. Because my window. There. So it's a little car thing. So what I learned today is that they actually have horses, which, you know, now makes sense because it's an ag center. So if they have a whole agriculture center, they obviously see, look, it's part of the actual college and they actually have horses. It makes me laugh. Maybe this exists in France. I don't know, but here I find it very fun that they have their own horses. See, they have others here. You can't see them, but they actually have horses behind those bars. And so yeah, I'm actually, and everything basically, if I'm going to the agriculture center right now, is because my guidance class is there. So obviously nothing to do with agriculture. This is just where it is. And where's the parking lot? Nick can speak, right? Little shy guy.
Yeah.
That's the parking lot?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I guess. Yeah. So that's the entrance door?
Looks closed, but let's check out.
No, I don't want to. Okay, so that's the building.
You don't want to find your class?
Not really.
Okay.
I have this class at 9:45, so when you drop me off, I have 45 minutes
Oh, okay.
to actually check it out. So I'll just check it out. So we're done. It's moving a lot, but oh well. we're done and we both feel stressed, I guess. You feel stressed.
Yeah,
Are you excited though?
I am. One step closer.
It's true. So now we're gonna go home. Wow, it's moving a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna go home and, well, we're gonna edit this. Then we're gonna spend a bit of time together because this is day off. Try driving. It's his day off, so we're gonna see what we're gonna do today, but at least this is done. So yay!
Yeah.
Bye!
Alors voilà, c'est tout pour la visite de mon campus. J'espère que ça vous a plu. Modesto Junior College, il y a à peu près... Alors sur le site, ils ont dit qu'il y avait 19 000 étudiants. Il y en a à peu près 24 000 cette année, de ce que ma conseillère m'a dit. Donc voilà, on est 24 000 étudiants à commencer demain. Demain, c'est ma rentrée scolaire. Demain! Je flippe, je suis absolument flippée. C'est très 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 stressant, mais bon voilà, il faut y aller. Donc voilà, aujourd'hui je suis allée acheter mes fournitures scolaires, je me suis acheté des barres protéinées, tout un tas de trucs, et puis voilà, j'espère vraiment que ça va être suffisant. Je suis pas la seule stressée. Angel est avec moi, on commence tous les deux demain, et il est aussi stressé que moi, on est tous les deux complètement affolés, mais bon, on l'a choisi, c'est comme ça. Alors j'ai hâte aussi de commencer, bien évidemment. Ça fait maintenant presque 1 an et demi que Modesto, je l'ai dans la tête. Donc ça me fait plaisir d'enfin y commencer, d'enfin être une étudiante là-bas. Alors voilà, je vous tiendrai bien sûr au courant de tout, et puis jusqu'à la prochaine, ciao!